Not all laboratory shakers are created equal. IBI's Orbital Shakers are built, assembled, and shipped in the U.S. using premium materials and strict quality control standards. IBI's Belly Button Shaker and Belly Dancer Shaker both come with a patented, adjustable platform that allows the user to alter the pitch of the platform of the shaker, creating an undulating motion that is ideal for critical life science research applications. This patented feature is not found in other shakers. IBI Scientific shakers are built to operate in a wide range of temperatures. Whether your research is done in a cold room or a CO2 incubator, IBI shakers are tough enough to last for years in extreme laboratory conditions. From our high-quality benchtop laboratory equipment to our full line of laboratory reagents, IBI Scientific can help your lab achieve high-end results. IBI Scientific, building quality life science products.